Now, let us move on to question number 39. Limit x tends to 0, minus 1 plus root of a recurring function divided by minus 1 plus again root of recurring function with x cube. Let y equal to root of tan x minus sin x plus root of tan x minus sin x plus root of tan x minus sin x plus etc. up to infinity. That is root of tan x minus sin x plus y. So y square equal to tan x minus sin x plus y. So y square minus y minus tan x minus sin x equal to 0. So y equal to 1 plus or minus b square is 1, 4ac is minus, so 4 into tan x minus sin x divided by 2. Since y is root of something, so this is always, we are taking positive root only, otherwise it will not form a function. So y is always positive, let us remove 1 minus so and so, because 1 plus something will be always more than 1 and root of that will be more than 1. So 1 minus a quantity more than 1 becomes negative. So therefore y equal to 1 plus root of 1 plus 4 into tan x minus sin x divided by 2. In the same way, let us calculate, let z equal to root of x cube plus root of x cube plus etc. up to infinity. So root of x cube plus y, x cube plus taking it as z. So z square minus z minus x cube equal to 0. So z equal to 1 plus or minus root of b square is 1, 4ac is 4x cube divided by 2a is 2. Again for the same reason we can remove negative, therefore z equal to 1 plus root of 1 plus 4x cube by 2. Now let us move on to this problem. This becomes minus 1 plus one plus 4 into tan x minus sin x divided by 2 divided by minus 1 plus root of 1 plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, so we take LCM, you are getting minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So root of 1 plus 4 into tan x minus sin x minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus 4x cube minus 1. 2 gets cancelled. When you take LCM, here it becomes minus 2, here also it becomes minus 2. Now rationalizing numerator and denominator, you are getting 1 plus 4 into tan x minus sin x minus 1 divided by 1 plus 4x cube minus 1 into root of 1 plus 4x cube plus 1 divided by root of 1 plus 4 into tan x minus sin x plus 1. Now this becomes limit x tends to 0. Here also limit x tends to 0. Here also limit x tends to 0. So as x tends to 0, 4x cube is 0, 1 plus 1, 2. This term is 0, 1 plus 1, 2. This gets cancelled. What remains is limit x tends to 0. 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. Tan x minus sin x by x cube. This is 0 by 0 form. So this is limit x tends to 0. Derivative of tan x is secant square x minus sin x has the derivative cos x divided by 3x square. So that is limit x tends to 0. 2 secant square x tan x plus sin x divided by 6x. So this is limit x tends to 0 to 1 by 6 taken outside, secant 2 secant square x into tan x by x plus sin x by x. As x tends to 0, sin x by x as well as tan x by x tends to 1. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So answer becomes 1 by 6 into 3. That becomes 1 by 2. So this is one of the advanced level problem. So you have to use of radicals, you have to use of rationalization, you have to use of trigonometric limit. So first we are calculating root of tan x plus root of tan x minus sin x plus root of tan x minus sin x etc. up to infinity, as well as root of x cube plus etc. up to infinity. This method you are already familiar with quadratic equations. So we are taking test by quadratic square, and this point should be noted. 1 plus something will be always more than 1. So 1 minus a number more than 1 will be always negative. So since y is square root of something, you are taking positive root only. Y should be always positive. So y equal to 1 plus. Same thing happens over here. Substituting over here, then we are rationalizing, and this quantity as x tends to 0, 4x cube is 0, 1 plus 1, 2. Tan x minus sin x is 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1. So that removes. That leaves tan x minus sin x by x cube where x tends to 0. So tan x has the derivative secant square x, sin x has the derivative cos x by 3x square. Again of the form 0 by 0. Again this is of the form 0 by 0. So secant square has the derivative 2 secant square x tan x, cos x has the derivative minus sin x, so it becomes plus by 6x. 1 by 6 I have taken outside, 2 secant square x tan x by x plus sin x by x. Tan x by x as well as sin x by x tends to 1. Secant 0 is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 6 becomes half. So just go through each and every step very carefully, and please note these 2 points. Why you are taking positive root, why you are not taking negative root. Understand it, then substitute over, you'll get the answer.